Hello everyone. Myself Suvarna Jadhav, Assistant Professor, RMS College of Pharmacy, Kalburgi. Today I am going to discuss about the topic medicinal gases. After completion of this topic, the learner will be able to know about the common medicinal gases, preparation and uses, and their storage and labeling condition. When we go for the definition of medicinal gases can be defined as the inorganic substances meant for the administration through the nasal cavity. They may be given to the patient for diagnosis, therapy, and to produce anesthesia. The most common medicinal gases are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. So, firstly, we will go for oxygen. While studying the preparation of oxygen, it can be prepared either by fractional distillation of air or by hydrolysis of water. As we know, air is a mixture of various gases which contains 78% of nitrogen, 20 to 21% of oxygen, and others are the remaining gases, that is carbon dioxide, methane, ethane, argon, etc. So, here the oxygen is separated from the air with the help of fractional distillation. The second method by which we can prepare oxygen, that is by hydrolysis of water. As we know, water molecule, the molecular formula of water is H2O. That is, it contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So, electrolysis, it gives us the free oxygen which can be collected and stored in a proper containers. While going for the usage of oxygen, the very first use of oxygen is it is used as an inhalant in anesthesia, burns, and wounds. It, it, it is used in treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning along with carbon dioxide. It can be given to the patients with a lung damage with the combination of helium. Liquid oxygen is also used as a rocket fuel. Oxyacetylene flame is having a high temperature and is used for the metal welding. When we go for the carbon dioxide can be prepared by the basically three methods, that is, it can be prepared by the reaction between native carbonate and acid, by burning coke in air, or as a byproduct of fermentation industry. So when we talk about the reaction between native carbonate and acid, the carbonates like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, when they react with the acid like HCl, they releases carbon dioxide that can be collected for the further use. The second method, by burning coke in air. As we know, coke is a pure form of a carbon. When we burn this coke in presence of air, it combines with the oxygen and it gives rise to the carbon dioxide. And as we know, the fermentation reaction, it releases carbon dioxide. So the fermentation industry like wine industry can release the carbon dioxide as a byproduct. Now, when we move for the uses of carbon dioxide, the very first use of carbon dioxide is in combination with oxygen, it can be used in treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon dioxide is also used in a beverages industry so as to get the carbonated water. The dry ice, that is the solid form of carbon dioxide, is used to remove warts and corns. The detoxification of heroin addicts can be achieved also with the help of carbon dioxide. Now we will move for the nitrous oxide. The nitrous oxide, we are knowing it as a laughing gas also. So when we go for the preparation of nitrous oxide, it can be prepared by thermal decomposition of ammonium nitrate. Here, while heating the ammonium nitrate, a precaution should be taken, otherwise the reaction it may be explosive. And the second method by which we can get the nitrous oxide is by the reaction between ammonium sulfate and sodium nitrate. When we go for the uses of nitrous oxide is used to induce anesthesia. It is used as a mild anesthetic. It is also used in minor dental surgeries. It is used to manage the myocardial infarction and labor pain. And it is also used to calm the mental patients. So just look at this particular picture. We all remember this scene from Houseful movie, where in the party everyone just started to laugh. Do you remember what was the reason? Yes, the exchange of container. In spite of oxygen, that guy, he just replaced the oxygen cylinder by the nitrous oxide cylinder, and due to which this mishap happens in the movie. So, the storage condition for the gases plays a major role. So here, one by one, we will see about the storage conditions for these common gases. Firstly, we will discuss about the storage condition for oxygen. So, oxygen, it should be stored in a metallic cylinder with safety regulatory valve. Valve should not be lubricated with oil or grease. Name of gas should be stenciled on the neck of cylinder. And the very specific storage condition for the oxygen cylinder is that cylinder should be painted black and the neck should be painted white. This you can observe here in the image. Now the storage condition for carbon dioxide. Again, carbon dioxide, it should be stored in a metallic cylinder with a safety regulatory valve. Valve should not be lubricated with oil or grease. The name of the gas should be stenciled on the neck of the cylinder. And the cylinder should be painted grey. Now, the storage condition for nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide should be stored in a metallic cylinder with a safety regulatory valve. Again, the valve should not be lubricated with oil or grease. The name of the gas should be stenciled on the neck of the cylinder. The cylinder should be painted blue as you can observe it in the image. I hope you enjoyed this topic and you are having a clear idea about the preparation, uses and storage condition for these common gases. Thank you.